Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make these beautiful, lovely roses made with ribbon. If you want to learn how to make this particular design, kindly watch till the end. Without wasting time, let's get started. To make our ribbon giant rose, we're going to make use of this ribbon. Is a wide one. It's about 1.5 inches. Okay, so I'm going to cut them into sizes about 4.5 inches. That's what I'm going to cut out. Here I have them. What I'm going to do, take one of it, face the wrong side facing me. Okay, then I'm going to add some glue at the edge here and at the edge here. That's the tip at the top side. Okay, then I fold it in a triangular form like this, then fold this part also in a triangular form like this. Okay, so once I have it like this, I'm going to go ahead, add some glue at the back side like so, add here like so. Okay, this is what I have. Then fold here down, fold here down. We are going to have something like this. Okay, we're going to have something like this. So I'm going to go ahead now and make all of them. I have about 18 cut out here, 18 of them, 18 pieces. So if you want the rose to be very big, you could cut more than that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead now and cut all of them. Now in order to start making the rose, I'll take one of it, this side that I'm facing it to, that's where it's going to form my rose. Okay, so I'll pick one of it, add some glue and roll it like this. Okay, this is going to form my bud. Then I'll pick the next one, add glue to it, this place where it ends, that's where I'm going to place my middle here, wrap it around it. Like this, hold it, make sure it's glues very well. Then pick the next one and continue like that till I exhaust all of them.
This is Ahviworld. This is Ahviworld. This is Ahviworld.
If you're here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? You are not being charged for subscribing. You don't pay for subscribing. Why do you like to watch video without subscribing? Please, if you want to be a part of this family in order to encourage us, and if you like all that we've been doing here, please, I beg you, kindly do well to subscribe so that we'll be happy whenever I see that subscribe button being pressed by anyone. I'm always happy because they usually send me notification of those who subscribe, and those who have really subscribed, I say thank you so much. I love you all. I love you all. I love you all. And to those who are just joining us, if today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. The first thing to do to be a member of this family is to hit the subscribe button so that you can be part of us, so that anytime we upload new videos, you will get notified. That's why you need to turn the notification bell on, okay? So please, the first thing to do, like I said, is to hit the subscribe button. Do well to hit the subscribe button and give us thumbs up if you like this video. Feel free to drop a comment. If you need to ask any question, just put it in the comment section and I will be glad to reply you. And if you want to share the video with any of your friends, feel free to share it, okay? Keep watching.
This is Ahviworld. This is Ahviworld.
Here's what we have. If you want it bigger than that, you just keep adding, okay? Could make it 20, could make it 22. It's a matter of choice. Let me add one more to this, please. Can see them? Are they not lovely? Wow. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more creative videos like this. Till I come your way again, I remain Ahviworld. Bye.